for those who don't remember me, my name is Yuri. I'm a senior engineering student at UCD, and today I will briefly talk about the components of concrete to my classmates as materials and methods for civil construction. So the concrete, it's a conventional material in which it is made by cement, Portland cement, aggregate, and water. The Portland cement here in the United States, we have five different types of cement Portland. They basically differ from each other about their chemical components. They have more or less mineral components. Here at the lab, we are in the civil construction lab, which is a very huge lab with every type of material and instruments in which we can put the materials to test. So as I was saying before, I found this Portland cement type number 1 and number 2, as you guys can see at the label, and that I found the cement Portland type number 3, which is a height earlier strength Portland cement. So let's move on to the next topic, which is aggregates. The aggregates, we have different types of aggregates. We have the fine aggregates and the coarse aggregates. The example of the first one, fine aggregates, can be sand, and an example of the second aggregates can be crushed stone. Basically, the aggregates, they are classified in the particle size, and the aggregates, they have a function of occupying space, because if we made concrete just with cement and water, we would spend a lot of money, because cement, it is more expensive than aggregates. Okay, so here at the lab I could find just fine aggregates. A main example of it is washed silica sand. Usually the aggregates, they don't interfere in the chemical reaction between cement and water. The aggregates, they are a non-reaction material or an inert material. Okay. And finally, water. Water, it's a very important factor in the concrete component. First of all, because of it that the cement will hydrate and it will get strength. So the chemical reaction that occurs, it has to occur with water. The factor cement water, the radial cement water, it's a very important one. And if you increase this factor, this radial, you will get a concrete with less strength, and if you decrease this radial, you can get a concrete with more strength. But you have to remember it, every time you add water at your concrete, it will be easier to mix it. But if you put less water, it will be very hard to mix it. Usually in the construction industry, we have these two types of machines, the manual one and the automatic one. They are made to mix the concrete, and they are usually batching on the construction site. And finally, briefly summarize, the concrete, it's a component in which is a mix between cement Portland, aggregates, and water. So thanks you all for the attention, and have a good class.